Recording.
Well, hello everybody. Today is the first day in 2024 that I took the bike out. It's February 9th, I think. Just heading into town for a little bit. Supposed to get up around 60 some degrees today. So I thought I'd take the bike out. It's been a while since I've been out on the bike. Been working on putting the videos up on YouTube. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Right around this corner here, there's been quite a few accidents in the past month or so, since December. Trucks, the guardrail's been replaced by 5 or 6 times. A truck was down into this house here, totaled the house. From what I hear, the guy didn't have any insurance, so he ain't paying for the house, and the homeowner's insurance won't cover it. So, see, not everybody's got the bad luck like some people. No matter how bad you think it is, there's always somebody worse than what you are, unfortunately. Basically, today I just thought I'd talk a little bit about me, not like me, but just to let you guys know who I am, what I am. So, basically, I'm just an old country boy who grew up in the country, loved to ride a motorcycle, loved to travel, especially on the motorcycle, going to different places. I don't know if you can see the little I have down here on the gas tank or not, but that's all the states we've been to throughout my lifetime. I'm getting to be 65 in April, so I got a few western states I got to get, and I plan on doing that this year. Hopefully the plans go according to plan. We'll get out there and get some more states in, get some more videos in. One of the things about me is I just love promoting riding a bike. Uh, my brother-in-law got me started when I was in high school. He had a bike, a Honda 350 Shadow, and his dad had a couple bikes, so we used to go out and ride. I used to ride the 350. So I kind of got used to it and enjoyed it, had fun. It's what kind of got me the bug that I wanted to ride all the time. And like most people, I finally fell in love, got married, had some kids, and the wife didn't really want me to ride. She thought it was unsafe, so I never really rode that much after that until my later years. So, you know how that goes. Kids, responsibility, had my own business. So, for quite a few years, used to ride a little bit here and there, but not like I've been riding, like I like to ride. So, I think that's all going to change here in a few more months or year. So, kind of retired, but full-time retirement, I think, coming up here. And I plan on riding a lot more. You guys watch some of the videos, you know. My parents have been pretty bad health-wise. My mother died back in November. My dad's pretty bad shape. He's 89. He's not too bad. But we're hanging around here, and Brenda's mom has left. Her dad died about 3 years ago. So I don't want to sound mean or cruel, but stick around and help them out until it's their time to go. And I think our plan was always kind of move south and ride all the time down there, somewhere where you can ride and only have like a month or two of winter instead of the coldness we have up here in Ohio. But as we travel across the United States and that, there's a lot of different places that we really enjoyed, like, and wouldn't mind living, but there's no place like home. And that's one of the reasons why I'm a little favor Ohio. You got the hills, the curves, the flat areas, the farmland. It's just a beautiful place, I think. Besides promoting riding a bike, I always promote this great state of Ohio. The only thing bad about Ohio is sometimes you have cold, wintry months from, say, November clear to March. So, could be worse. We could live up northern states, Wisconsin, Minnesota, uh, North Dakota, South Dakota, those areas, Wyoming. But personal preference, I think I'd rather kind of move south. We're thinking like North Carolina, South Carolina, northern Georgia, Tennessee, something like that. But that's our plans. That's a little bit about me. Trying to put these on. Kind of new at this. Uh, they're not the best sometimes, and they're not the worst, but trying to do what I can and make it more exciting for you guys to watch. This morning, I had 411 subscribers. I'm trying to keep the video and the interest up. We really appreciate you guys watching and subscribing and stuff like that. If there's anything that we could do or you'd like to see that we haven't done yet, just leave a comment. We're always looking for a reason to get out and ride, to go here or go there. So if you have a comment or something that's maybe you heard about a route or like to go see what the route's like but don't have the time and we're close, we'll take a ride and do it. Got a lot of video, or should have a lot of video, should have done this a long time ago. I want to try to hit 555 triple nickel this year again. I rode that a few years back. It seems to be one of the big attractions around here. There's different routes here and there. So we kind of have our favorites and we kind of run those all the time, but we still try to get out and do something a little bit different, see a little different part of Ohio. One of our things is usually during the week we'll sit and say, where do you want to go this weekend? And we'll kind of throw some ideas back and forth between Brenda and me, and just come up with some ideas. Sometimes we'll plan on going somewhere, and as we're out riding, things change or something happens, and we decide to go somewhere else. It's not always a pre-planned trip, and we just fly by